I want to say thank you guys so much for coming out this evening. We're going to play another song for you before we go, but I just want to thank you. I hope you all had a wonderful time. I hope you had fun. Yes. I'm always taking notes about, things for next year, like more light in certain areas of the room now that we're back in here. I'm taking little notes in my head. So starting out with 2 microphones on each side. These are things you forget after you haven't been at it a while, but I want to thank you guys so much for coming out, for supporting the music program here at GCA, and just for coming to this event and being with us. It's been a fun weekend for all of you that have just stayed the weekend, and we're going to do one more and then we'll have prayer, but I wish you all a wonderful, safe holiday season, and may the Lord be with you, and we look forward to second semester where we can come back and do it all again and have a fun, wonderful year. So we'll finish this evening out, and then we'll, almost done. We have awards to hand out. And I know you guys want to know who won the table judging. So I almost skipped that. That would have been terrible. Okay, we're going to go from 3rd place to 1st place. I don't know how they're picked, but we bring people in that have no affiliation with any of this at all. And we say, go pick your favorite tables, not the ones that we decorate, obviously. So it's out of all of those of you that have posted a table and picked. And so in 3rd place, they have picked table, is that a 20? Blevins? Table 20, or is that 23? Blevins table, yes, I just can't read the handwriting. Usually that's what happens to me. Blevins table, table 3. Woo! And can I just say that it's really cool seeing you guys decorate all your tables. You learn so much about the families that you have. You have the children, but you learn so much with how you guys decorate your tables. Every year, it's super cool to see all the cool things that you guys do and how you work your tables. It's wonderful. 2nd place goes to table 7. Table 7, the Brossfield table. Woo! And 1st place goes to table 4. Table 4. Thank you guys so much for being good sports with this, and I want to eat some of this stuff right here. It's really good. Thank you very much, and we'll play one more song, and then we'll have prayer, and we will let you go for the year.